The Meghalaya State softball team, comprising both men and women players, has departed from the capital to participate in the 46th Senior National Championship 2025, scheduled from February 22nd to 26th in Amravati, Maharashtra. A send-off ceremony was organized by the Meghalaya Softball Association to extend their best wishes to the team. Speaking at the gathering, MSA President Dr. Amanwar encouraged the players to put forth their best efforts and showcase their skills on the national stage, expressing confidence in their potential to bring success to the state.
You have worked very hard all this time. And then we had that 1 week camp. You showed yourself. We had tournaments. And with each and every tournament that we had, we saw the improvement. And I'm very, very confident, as what the secretary had already said, you'll come out with flying colors. But remember, when we go out of the state to represent in any discipline, remember you are ambassadors of the state. And the most important thing is that
The Meghalaya Cricket Association